Like, I don't leave that on the wash now.
Anna, what could I cause this man? Me here too, you know. If I'm me done him pan pink wall. Akisha this, the wife of Chris. A man call me husband with talking with twist. I don't know the ear, but no shame to me game. I'm not afraid to say to a governor him name. Me tell Chris stop answer my phone. My ex-man just won't leave me alone. Just through him see me life start out now. And see the money I spend palm me like whoa. No boy can't trample my pride. Ladies, chat him out man with your vibe. When you see me now, you have to walk wide. Look how you could have been the little man on his side. Go be say him have to get me back in him life. Through the fuck when me stuck in him head like lice. When him diss me, him never think twice. Me gone now, you know see me turn a man wife. Him a talk about coming on me head. Nothing never go so, I lie him a tell. And if it did go so, I must head for head. Come a pump my mad him every night in my bed. Dog, just true your love talk. Make it up his ear down in the X part. Lick it for the dogs, them when I love back. Some things in the dark, up stay in the dark. Some boy chat too much, dog. Some boy chat too much. The ones that love talk, them can't do much. The ones that love talk, them can't do much, dog. Me know Chris feel away. Trust me, just a lifestyle. But when I put it on him tonight, it not come empowered. It happen at the day. Oh man, no love it when man chat, so be careful who you get the fat cat. Some boy can't hold them out. Pum in farm, I forget a fat chop. Just chew your love top. Make it up his ear down in the X part. Lick it for the dogs, them when I love back.